Okay. Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
So let's start our English lesson, and I want to start it with a good wish. I wish you a good day.
I wish you happy smile. I wish you happy day. I wish you to read good book. I wish you good day. I wish you good marks.
I wish you good friends.
I wish you good day.
I wish you good teacher. I wish
you good school.
I wish you comedy film.
I wish you good work.
I wish you good students.
Wow, that was a good wish for me. The best wish I would ever heard. So, dear students, I see that you are divided into the groups. You are very cunning. Okay, I have here 3 pictures. We have 3 pictures, and can you tell me what you can see on the first picture?
Cinema.
It is?
Cinema.
Okay, then come to my desk and choose one of these cards. Please start with Aydan. Okay, and on the back side of your cards you have different words. We have 3 kinds of words. Let's start with you, Dana. What do you have?
Legion.
Legion. What about you? Fairy tale. Play. Play. What is a play? What?
Theater.
Yes, that's good. So, children, now we are divided into 3 groups. I think it is fair play, yeah? Играем по-честному. Fair play. Remember on the last lesson we had a question. What kind of legend do you remember from the last lesson?
Robin Hood.
That's good. What kind of fairy tale do you remember from the last lesson? Good. Little Red Riding Hood, that's good. And what about the play, the famous play?
Romeo and Juliet.
That's good, Jangelda. Thank you, sit down, please. Okay, we have Alban's mother in Kazakh folklore. We have Poland mother. We have Kozakorpesh. What do you see? What kind of genre is this?
History of Kazakhstan.
History of Kazakhstan. Not bad, very good. What about you?
Piesa.
Piesa? In English, is it piesa? Play. So, you think it is a famous play. That's good, Kausar. Not bad. What about your group? Adiljan, Tolkien. How do you think? What is it? What kind of genre is it? Legend. Legend. Famous legend. That's good. Okay, thank you. Children, now I prepare some words from the list. Please be ready to read them after me, okay? I will give it to you. Just a second.
To promise.
To marry.
To marry.
Grew up.
Grew up.
To decide.
To decide.
So, dear students, I prepared you a small video about Kozakorpesh and Bayan Soğuk. As you told me, this is a famous legend, yeah? Okay, let's watch it. Okay, students, now we have watched a video about Kozakorpesh and Bayan Soğuk. Did you like it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, the same we have in our books on the page 106. Kozakorpesh and Bayan Soğuk. To make the following exercise 1, 2, and 3, we need to read this text. You have 5 minutes, okay? Are you ready? Let's start to read it. Okay, children. Let's do exercise 1 on the same page. So, who are these characters? Who is Bayan Sulu? Let's start with your group. Kodar's daughter. Is she right? Kodar's daughter? Karabay's daughter. That's good. Not for you. Okay, thank you, please. Next question. That is for you, please. And next question. Who is Kozu Korpesh?
and болып.
Kozu Korpesh is a lava. Bayan Sulu's lava. Okay, that's good. Next question. Who is Karabay? Who was Karabay?
Karabay is Bayan's father.
Bayan's father. Is she right? That's right?
Yes.
That's good. Congratulations. And the last question. Who is Kodar?
Kodar is what?
He's a warrior. That's good. Thank you. This is for you. Okay, for the next exercise, I need 2 chairs. Mirja, please bring me 1 chair, and Ayashan, would you be so kind to bring me another one? Please, 2 chairs. Okay, to do next exercise, do you remember we regularly do exercise like true and false? So, to do next exercise, we have to listen to an audio. So we
Bayan's father was Karabay.
Is he right?
Yes.
That's good. Okay, thank you. Next. Ayashan, are you ready?
Yes.
That's good. And let's listen to the second sentence.
Kozo and Bayan met when they were young.
Is she right?
Yes.
That was a farmer.
Okay, good. You are this for you.
Karabay decided to give Bayan to Kozo.
Is she right?
Yes.
Do you think so?
No.
No. I wanted to give it to you, but not now. Please sit down.
Bayan didn't love Kozo.
No. True. Yes.
Bayan didn't love Kodar.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. True. The same with you, I wanted to give it to you, but unfortunately, not this time. Please sit down.
Kozo died in a river.
Is she right?
Yes.
Congratulations.
I haven't got my smile.
Oh, sorry. Here is your smile. I'm so sorry. Thank you. Okay, next we are going to have some posters. We have to prepare some posters. So, one of the main characters is Kodar, warrior. This is for you, Kodar. Next one is Karabay. His word.
Karabay gives Bayan to Kodar.
Karabay brought his friends.
Karabay was Sarbay's friend. Karabay Bayan's father. Karabay was a wealthy man.
That's good.
His father died when he was young. Kozo fell in love with Bayan Sulu. Kozo Korpesh was Sarbay's son. Fire went, Kodar in I went.
There is no happy ending. Kodar was video.
Kodar killed Kozo when he was sleeping. Kodar fought with Kozo Korpesh and lost the battle.
Kodar followed Bayan Sulu.
Kodar helped Karabay to save his ships in the...
Our time is up, and now we are going to finish our lesson. I need your feedbacks. We know what to do. You have your stickers.